Hey cruisers, are you wondering what to expect when visiting Skagway, Alaska on your cruise? Love to eat donuts or malasadas? Here's a quick look. My wife and I were aboard the Norwegian Bliss in early May 2022, and the outside temperature was a nice 52 degrees Fahrenheit when we arrived at 7 in the morning. To depart the ship, follow the signs, scan your stateroom card, and exit the ship. Walk the gangways over to the shuttle and tour bus area. The Smart Bus is available for rides to town and back. $3 one way or $5 back and forth all day. Pay the driver as he or she drops you off in town. For the return ride, just hop on at any Smart Bus stop you see. Here's a quick look at the main drag that is named Broad Street. Don't forget to check out the side streets too. Visit the many jewelry, souvenir, gift, and snack shops. And speaking of snack shops, my wife and I recommend that you visit the Klondike Doughboy near the corner of Broad Street and 3rd Avenue. Their Doughboy is delicious and a real winner, reminded us of a large and flat malasada. After you're done exploring the shops, hop on the Smart Bus back to the ship. The bus stop in front of the White Pass station is the last stop before heading back to the ship. After being dropped off, make the short walk back to the ship. At the security checkpoint, show your stateroom card and photo ID. To reboard the ship, scan your stateroom card and scan your bags through the X-ray machine. Grab a cup of hot coffee, tea, or hot chocolate to warm up. The outside temperature when we got back to the ship had dropped to 51 degrees Fahrenheit. Watch this video to learn about visiting Ketchikan, Alaska.